Recession-proof business. This recession-proof business is like no other business on earth. It is free to join. There are no fees. There is no cost or risk. By using normal dollars that you spend anyway every month, you are now turning it into extra income. This is a not-for-profit company, so all the profits are paid out to the membership every month after expenses are paid. The founder and the partners do not get paid anything off the top, and they do not get paid a salary, but do the business exactly like all of the other members. The old way of advertising on the internet is not working. So product companies that join this platform pay cash back for the membership loyalty for every product sold. When you understand what the founder is trying to do, disrupt the direct selling industry, you start to see the true potential of this business, and then you get as excited as all of us are. There are no requirements for getting cash back on products each member buys, but there is a minimum each member must buy to get cash back on those they shared this platform with. How the unique compensation plan works is explained in detail in the training webinars. The way the compensation plan is designed, it is possible in this business to make more than the starting leaders and founders of the business. If you want to learn how to earn thousands of dollars a month by using normal dollars that you spend anyway every month and turn it into extra income, all you need to do is get back with the person that gave you this video.